Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will learn a full mark essay on my aim in life, doctor, with quotations. Watch till the end and prepare confidently for your exam. So let's start the essay with a suitable quotation. Life without an aim is like a ship without a compass. Every person needs a clear aim in life. An aim give us direction, purpose and motivation. Hard. Without an aim, life becomes meaningless and confusing. A person who has no aim wastes time and energy. Therefore, it is very important to decide our aim at the right time. Now, let us add an quotation here. A man without a goal is like a bird without wings. My aim in life is to become a doctor. A doctor is a noble profession because doctors serve humanity. They treat sick people and save precious lives. In our country, many people cannot afford proper medical treatment. I want to help poor and needy patients who suffer due to lack of facilities. Now let us add a quotation here. Where there is a will, there is a way. I know that becoming a doctor is not easy. It requires hard work, dedications and patience. I am studying science subjects with full attention. I try to get good marks and improve my knowledge every day. Now let us add a quotation here. Hard work is the key to success. I believe that with strong determination and the help of Allah, I will achieve my goal. A doctor not only earns respect but also prayer from people. Now let us add the quotations here. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself is the service of other. Serving humanity is the greatest service. I want to open a small hospital in a rural area where poor people can get free treatment. In conclusion, my aim in life gives me strength and courage. It motivates me to work hard and stay focused. I pray to Allah to help me fulfill my dream and become a successful doctor. Hard work is the key to success. I hope this essay will help you score high marks in your exams. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational videos. See you in the next video. Bye.